I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you find yourself logged out of your Truist account, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Truist website. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link and click on it. This will take you to the password recovery section. Step 3. Enter your account information. You will be prompted to enter your username or email address associated with your account. Fill in the required fields. Step 4. Follow the verification steps. Truist will send you a verification code via email or SMS. Check your inbox or messages and enter the code on the website. Step 5. Create a new password. Once verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Make sure it meets the security requirements. Remember, if you don't until you receive the verification code, check your spam folder or ensure your phone number is correct in your account settings. Good luck getting back into your account.